In the name of God, Engineering Mechanics, Statics. J. L. Merriam, L. G. Craig, 7th edition, Chapter 4, Structures. At first, we have an introduction to this chapter. Introduction. In Chapter 3, we studied the equilibrium of a single rigid body or a system of connected members treated as a single rigid body. We first drew a free body diagram of the body showing all force external to the isolated body, and then we applied the force and moment equation of the equilibrium. In this chapter, Chapter 4, we focus on the determination of the forces internal to a structure. A structure that is force of action and reaction between the connected members. Between the connected members. An engineering structure is any connected system of members built to support or transfer force and to safely withstand the loads applied to it. Is any connected system of members built to support or transfer forces and to safely withstand the load applied to it. To determine the forces internal to an engineering structure, we must dismember the structure and analyze a separate free body diagram, individual member or combination of members. This analysis requires careful application of Newton's third law to analyze the structure we need to dismember the structure, analyzes, separate free body diagram, for each member, or combination of members. The analysis requires careful application of Newton's third law. Which states that each action is accompanied by an equal and opposite reaction. Is accompanied by an equal and opposite reaction. In Chapter 4, we analyzes the internal force acting in several types of structure. Structures, type, trusses, frames, and machines. In this treatment, we consider only a statically determinate structure. Which do not have more supporting constraints than are necessary to maintain an equilibrium configuration. Thus, as we have already seen, the equations of equilibrium are adequate to determine all unknown reactions. The analysis of trusses, frames, and machines and beams under concentrated load constitute a straightforward application of the material development in the previous two chapters. The basic procedure developed in Chapter 3 for isolating a body by constructing the correct free body diagram is essential for analysis of statically determinate structure. Plane trusses.